Okay. You're gonna get 1,000. You're gonna get 1,000 CC. Hi, sir.
Sir? Excuse me, sir, but I am a woman.
Oh, sorry.
These are late hours. What do you want, boy?
I'd like a new motorcycle.
A new motorcycle. What do you want, boy?
What are your good recommendations?
Good recommendation. I don't know. What your recommendation? What you look for?
I'm looking for a 1,000 CC.
What the hell is that, boy? You are too American for my ears, boy. You better repeat that, boy.
I don't know the word. What's this bike here?
Yes, that is the Cometa Blaster Kaboom XR. Would you like this one, boy?
What's
Big American boy, aren't ya?
What's its specs?
It speaks? I don't know.
Okay, what's this bike?
Come for the authentic noodles! You can do it now on the fucking stuff.
Oh my god!
Oh,
It's American Johnny! Oh!
You gotta give it to me now. Hey!
American Johnny, please!
but sir, I'm not understanding. Why are you doing this?
American Johnny, please!
You get down the piano, I shoot your face
surrender.
down, right?
I surrender.
I'm talking to this.
I surrender.
But sir, I'm not understanding what you're doing here. What are you doing?
I surrender.
Hello, I am Scott Morrison, and I
Oh my god, it's Morrison!
to outlaw all
It's
broom
Scotty
girls.
Morrison!
What the fuck? But I have a broom at home.
Oh, that's too bad.
Hey, did you just off at a McDonald's?
Scotty Morrison, you're gonna be
Honestly,
I think there's authentic noodles under there, guys.
I'm
Oh
very
my
disappointed
God,
without
finally.
response to the COVID-19
You know what?
pandemic.
Fuck.
You guys are dangerous!
Hey, listen
I'm
to you.
about to suffer from
Hey,
an
no,
aneurysm.
listen. I'm
today.
hey, listen. I'm controlling this fucking joint. Hey, listen here, you. I'm still on one of these bikes. Fuck you.
So what's the joint?
Boom!